Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Want to say to the best father in the wide world, our oracle, our professor, the God that will see, the God that has helped us to give you to us. We want to say to you, Father, that we love you from our hearts. We want to say happy, happy birthday to you. And we want to say thank you for being a father. Thank you for showing us good love. Not just love, exceptional love. The love that even we cannot understand. Thank you for accepting us the way we are. Thank you for being a father in the day, in the new, in the night. Thank you for always giving us a listening ear to cry to. Thank you for God using you to be a blessing to us. Thank you because you have raised us from where we used to be to where we are now. And I believe that the glory of the later shall be greater than the former. So from all of us here, we want to say to you, Dad, that this is just a beginning. This is just the beginning. Your past will never be better than your future. Your labor of love will never be wasted. God has loved you specially. And because of that, no matter those that hate you, they are just doing everything they are doing in vain. God will continue to preserve you. God will continue to preserve your wife, preserve your children, and every heart desires would be granted. And we join the wide world today to say to you that we love you. From all of us here at the City of Power, the regional headquarters, Omega Fire Ministry, Abuja, we say happy, happy birthday. Daddy, we love you. Hip, hip, hip.